Welcome to the Palms Club, a rare guard-gated condo community here in the heart of Orlando, where there's a long list of items included in your HOA dues, from the resort-style pool and spa, fitness facility, children's playroom, sauna, bowling alley. Your internet and cable are also included. The list really does go on. And now Unit 101 is available, which is the largest floor plan in the community. With an incredible convenience factor, close to Universal Studios and zoned for Dr. Phillips High School, contact me today for your private showing.